tao does not come here tonight to be judged, but to judge. Hear then his accusation and his sentiments. I indict the Spanish encomendero for inventing taxes impossible to bear. I indict usurer for saddling me with debts impossible to pay. I indict irresponsible radical leaders who insidious eloquence with confidence of my kind in the government. You accuse me not supporting my family. Free me from bondage and I shall prove you false. You accuse me of ignorance, but I am ignorant because my master finds it profitable to keep me ignorant. Free me from bondage and I shall prove you false. You accuse me of indolence, but I am indolent not because I have no will, but I have no hope. Why should I labor if all the fruits of my labor go to pay an unpayable debt? Free me from bondage and I shall prove you false. Give me land, land to own, land unbeholden to any tyrant, land that will be free. Give me land for I am starving. Give me land that my children may not die. To me, sell it to me at a fair price, as one free man sells to another, not a usurer sells to a slave. I am poor, but I will pay for it. I will work until I fall from my weariness of my privilege, my inalienable right to be free. But if you will not grant me this, if you will not grant me this last request, this ultimate demand, then build a wall on your home. Build it. Place a sentry on every parapet. For I, who have been silent these 300 years, will come in the night when you are feasting, with my cry and my bolo at your door. And may God have mercy on your soul. Land of the bandage, land of the free. Raul S. Manglapus.
I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. No matter where.